So mga ka-amazing, susubukan namin bumili sa Nike ng Kobe 9. Good luck. Gamit lang ang face value ni JJ Eterbrand. Hey!
Uy, ganun pa.
Bro!
So bro, basta.
Gagawa mo? Para nag-shopping ka.
Yes. Siyempre, alam mo naman. Ano tayo may racket
Bro, yung bata ka bon, naalala mo ba yung ending?
Ending. Ay, oo, tama. Ano yan lagi yan, every time. Pag may PBA games kayo, lalo na.
Yung manual, di ba? Yung sasulat pa sa paper.
Yes. Sa bahay namin, mga pinsan ko, uncle ko, lagi yan, matik yan. Lagi sila nag-ending.
Bro, swerte ka ngayon. Online na lang. Pwede kang pumunta sa www.gamexsports.com.ph.
Nice mabilis na lang
Try mo.
Sige nga, check natin. Ano ulit? Meron yung Lucky 4.
Yan.
No?
Oo, may traditional tapos may Lucky 4.
Okay, so yung Lucky 4 pala, Lotto style game siya. Pero 4 digits lang.
Yep.
Last digit ending, score of the winning team of each quarter in sequential order. So, sa Lucky 4, meron lang Lucky Pick. Option which is system-generated combination yung ibibigay sa player.
Yes, bro.
So hindi ka na rin mamimili. Kumbaga, automatic na rin siya.
Walang kahirap-hirap, bro. Pero, bro, make sure, laro ka responsibly.
Yeah, naman. Siyempre, para enjoy lang, di ba? Ma-enjoy lang natin yung game. Sige. Sakto bukas, bro, Sunday. May game, di ba?
Oo.
Well, let's do it.
Anong team mo?
Siyempre, Nebra, pare.
Amazing. Yes, sir. Right. So, we are on our way to the Ducati event. Ducati Philippines, Ducati Manila. To show our support, of course. Please don't rain. Boss Toti Alberto, we are on our way. I mean, Ducati is an amazing bike. And we are now part of it. Hook up na kami sa Ducati. You agree? Yes, sir. So, itetest natin yung mga iba't ibang klaseng Ducati na available sa Pilipinas. 698 lang to, bro. So, we will be the judge of that. Nandiyan lahat. Diavel, B4 Rally, B4S, Hyper Motard, Monster, you name it. Nandiyan daw lahat. Now you can try and test kung ano yung sa'yo, hiyang. So, ikaw, ano ba hinahanap mo na Ducati? Gusto ko i-try yung 698 yung bago nila. Tsaka yung Hyper Motard na gusto mo pa. Yun nga yung Hyper Motard na Hindi, meron pa yung isa.
Yung
950. So, dalawa gusto mo i-try.
Na-try ko na yun
Diavel, na-try mo na?
Hindi pa.
Ayan.
Pwede.
So, ayan na po. Ayun na. Alright.
PBA Motor Club Hyper Motard 698 model.
Kaya mo yun? Nope.
Rico, kaya mo daw yan. Rico, kaya mo.
Kaya mo? Ha?
Do not try this anytime, anywhere. Jason Clark and Christian Reyes and the Ducati Hyper Motard 698 Mono. But now that the bikes are warmed up, I'm sure hindi magpapatalo the first family of Ducati Philippines. So may we call on Toti Alberto and TJ Alberto. It's now your turn with their Hyper Monos. Rico, parang pocket bike sa'yo eh.
Kaya buhatin?
Kaya mo ba? Try mo. Feeling ko kaya ni Jerwin yan. He can bench press that.
Nice. Ganda, no? Ikaw, subukan mo. Tingnan mo kung bagay sa'yo.
Okay, here they come, ladies and gentlemen. The father and son duo. Give it up once again for Toti Alberto and TJ Alberto.
Galing din to. Ha?
Siyempre,
Ha?
siya may-ari.
Go, Boss Toti. Kaya mo yan. Walang... Yan na lang.
I think that's too small for you, so you're 90.
Here we go. Basic.
Ikaw na. Ikaw daw next. Jay, ikaw daw next.
Alright, TJ. Toti, show your son how it's done. Show the OG.
Pero, not heated. Straight pipe siya.
Yeah, I fuss not. Okay. Yeah, I fuss not. You got some air there, DJ. Ayaw talaga magpatalo ni Toti. Once again, give it up for the father and son duo, TJ Alberto and the OG himself, Toti Alberto. All right, guys.
Yeah, I just learned to ride today because I'm a CEO. I don't ride bikes. Thank you.
Wait, where are you going, guys? Guys, come back here. You know,
We just work in the office.
yeah, you guys are just office people.
Sometimes we get
I'm
on my computer the whole day.
You guys are have desk jobs, right?
Yep.
That's what you guys do.
Well, I think the best way, we never sell something that we don't test ourselves. So as you can see, we've been testing them quite often.
Yes. And you know what? The first, it's the ultimate hooligan bike for the ultimate hooligan. What do you love about this bike?
Oh, well, for sure. It's no secret that I'm a hyper motor lover.
Mukha ano yan, si Maverick.
Hyper motor since the
Ang gamit mo?
The 939 is the 950.
Yan mo yung tambucho, apat.
Sa youngest edition. May tayo selection ng hyper motor riders since the beginning.
Ganda, no? Ito yung...
Sakyan mo nga. Ito cruiser kasi siya.
This bike is for young people. Can it be for the young at heart also?
Okay, when you're old and you have arthritis, this bike is right enough to you.
Parang ano, Jay? Ha?
So kaya pa rin.
Yeah,
Pero comfort.
kaya pa rin. But this, what I like about it was...
Mabigat kaya? Hindi mo matetest eh kasi nakalaki. Oh. Tumatawa ka na agad.
Kasabo eh.
Tumatawa ka na agad, malapit pa lang.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
Pumuputi ka. Yung buhok lang.
We were talking a while
Walk.
ago, DJ, that you said you don't have to be a
Welcome to Ducati family.
Yes, sir.
PBA Moto lang
This
sa
could
Kalam.
be a bike.
PBA Moto amazing.
Amazing.
Subscribe.
This is one of the easiest bikes
Alright.
in a long, long time. So,
Oh, yan ang daily niya.
But before anything, we do want to give away some stuff. You guys want free stuff? Yes? Yes, do you guys want free stuff?
Free stop.
Okay, how about that? So, we are going to be rabbits. Okay, so to make this a little bit more special, may we help us draw our first raffle winner. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. JJ Helter. Sige, sige. I don't know, bro.
Number 68.
Okay, number 68. Number 68. It could have been 86. So if you're 86, sorry na lang. Sabi ni JJ, 68 daw. Joseph Andres, are you still here? Jay, ano ba yan, Jay? Yan.
Sure na to. Number 7, Jaworski.
Alright, number 7, the living legend himself. Viceroy Vasquez. Viceroy Vasquez. Viceroy Vasquez, are you still here? Viceroy Vasquez.
Tumayo ka kasi. Tamad mo eh.
Okay, the number is
Number 20.
number 20. The name of number 20 is Zalde Villarao. Zalde!
Yes!
We have a winner!
Finally!
Ayun, we have a winner! Ayan, the amazing!
Congratulations.
Alright, congratulations!
So mga ka-amazing, susubukan namin bumili sa Nike ng Kobe 9. Good luck. Gamit lang ang face value ni JJ Heterbrand.
Ako na naman.
Ha? So, titignan natin kung
Kung may gusto
kung may effect. So, dati po ako endorser, 8 years. Ilang years ka nang endorse? 8 years endorser ng Nike. So, tingnan natin kung kilala pa tayo as an endorser.
Huyu.
Kung huyu ba kami o yes sir. Tama ba?
Oh, bossy.
Kuya, saan pipila yung endorser? Amazing kuya, amazing. Kaya nga. Dito ba? Wala ka pala eh. Ate, may size 13 pa? Endorser. Helter Brand. Wala? Jay, huyo ka. Huyo ka daw. Sabi ni ate. Ayan. Kaya may para kay Helter Brand? Ayun! Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Face value mo lang yun eh. Ha? Ganda ng jacket to. White. Basic white lang. Ayan po. Ay, sige po. Nakabili ka kuya?
Oo, boss.
Ano to po, hinila ka?
Ay, sir. Ngayon lang.
Ay!
Sir, may walking tayo kaso 9.5 na lang ang biggest, sir.
Walang 13.
Boss JJ.
Akin na, kunin ko na yan.
Kanya may wait.
Pakaswerte mo naman, bugi.
Thank you, idol.
Kaya hanap mo akong 13.
13?
Oo.
10, wala na.
Ikaw, 11?
11.
Hindi ko sa'yo, huyo ka na pala, huyo. Kala ko, yes sir. Oh. Ano mo?
Pwede ba i-fit?
Ano yun? Tignan yung pillow dito sa Nike kanina. Haba. Alis nakakuha tayo ng Kobe.
Tapos
natin.
Ikaw, pumasok ka lang, tapos nakilala ka lang ni Helterman, binigyan ka na.
Bait nila eh.
Ha?
Kasi alam naman nila endorser tayo dati. Di ba?
Kaya,
Meron talaga naka-reserve para sa atin.
pero hindi yan scripted, ha?
Hindi, kala nga ano eh, huyu eh.
Oy, kinabahan ka. Una, huyu.
Oo, di ba?
Yung sa babae.
Biglang nag-guilty si Kuya. Endorser namin dati to.
1,000 yung ticket sila.
Wow!
Pwede huli yung lalaki. Tumaas yung kilay, di ba? Tumaas yung kilay, sabi.
So, thank you Nike sa Kobe namin. You're all amazing.
Harp, dessert.